story. You tell mommy who's the character, the setting, the problem, and a message, and solution. Hello, Daddy?
Andito lang.
The ant family. Makinig ka dyan, ha? Once there was a family of ants which lived in an anthill near the woods. Every day, malapit daw sa mga puno. Every day, Mr. and Mrs. Ant, together with their 2 children, Annie and Anton, would gather food. Then, when the rainy season came, they had something to eat. One day, Andy and some friends who lived nearby saw Anton. Anton, join us. We're having a little fun. Andy said happily. You work all day. Why don't you stop for a while and have some fun? I think you are right, Andy. I need to enjoy life too, Anton answered. That is good, Anton. Share with us some of the food you have gathered and let us be merry, shouted the other ants. Anton gave them all the food he got from his hard day's work. When Anton went home, he was so tired. Where have you been, Anton? His father asked. I went to Andy's house. We just had some fun together with our friends, Anton answered. The next day, Anton woke up early. He went out to look for food. Mother, I am leaving now so I can come home early, he told his mother. All right, son. Take care of yourself. Father, sister, and I are also leaving to look for food. See you later, Mother said to her son. After a long day's work, Anton started for home. On the way, his friend called out to him.
Ano mas maganda, kuya, ate?
Si Meliana, don't eat enough. When he reached home, Mr. Ant talked with him. What is happening to you? Don't you know that it is late? His father said. I am sorry, Father. I just cannot stop myself when it comes to my friends. Ano ba ito? Kabisado mo na eh. It is good to have fun with your friends, but you should not do it all the time. Once in a while is all right. Anton, yung paminsan-minsan. Anton thought about it as he went to sleep. The following day, he worked again, thinking about what his father had said. Later, Anton walked home feeling happy. He was able to control himself. He was able to say no to his friends this time. So, you tell mommy the different parts of the story. I know. So, who is the main character?
Ikaw nga magsasabi, ikaw ka magsasabi.
Kaya ako nga anakin mo ito sa iyo para
Ang
ito sa...
character ay mga family. Mother and father. Si Annie, si Anton, at si Andy at yung friends niya.
Okay?
Ang solution dun sa anthill.
Solution? Are you sure? Is it the
Depende.
solution?
Yun ay solution ay hindi ko setting ayon. Ang problem nila yung paglayas ni Anton. Sama.
No, hindi naman paglayas. Yung pag-play ni Anton na wala sa lugar.
Tapos ay yung solution ay yung problem nila ay yung pag-ulan kasi ay ay pag wala silang makain yun ang problem nila.
Iba yun anak, yung ibang problem yun, pero yun ay Isa yun sa problem nila, pero hindi yun ang mismo main.
Gusto na kasi ako eh.
Oh. Ano bang sinasabi mo sa akin? Solution. So, anong ginawa ni Anton?
Siya ay kinontrol niya yung set niya dun sa mga friends niya.
Okay,
Kasi
very good.
sinabi ay Anton, parang gusto makipaglaro. Ayun, kinontrol niya.
Okay.
Ano nga yan? Elements? Ano nga yung element?
Huli. No, yung last anak ng story. Yung message. Tandaan nyo.
Yung
Yung message, anong meaning ng message?
yung anong naaaral ko doon.
Lesson learned.
Mami, alam ko na yan kung anong naaaral ko doon. Yung huwag maglalayas, kailangan mag-wawak.
Hindi naman. Kailangan anak ilalagay sa lugar. Hindi masama na. O later muna. Mami will... Ate...
Mami, sandali tama.
Oo, dito pa.
Kita mo anak mo kung gaano kalaro, pagtuturo ka. Parang hindi kami nakakapag-aral na agad-agad. Anak, tama ka pa rin naman pala din eh. Oh, hindi lang din yung teacher. Arturo plays basketball very well. He practices every day. He watches basketball games. He takes notes of the players' techniques. That is how he learns to improve his Arturo. About si Arturo, hindi ito. Pwede intindihan mo. Yun yung, kasi anak, naiintindihan mo ba? Pag mag-read ka ng story,
Tignan mo.
wait, wait muna. Pag magre-read ng story o kaya makikinig ka ng story, anak, dapat, oo, pakikinggan mo sino yung character. Yun, kasi mag-ano ka sa library, magko-comprehension ka, anak doon. Pagbabasahin ka, unang aalamin doon ako sino ka bida, sino yung character, yung setting, kaya yung tinuturo sa inyo, ha? Kayo sadya. And then, ano ba?
Mami, alam ko kung paano ang pagtatanong minsan. So, pag di ka may isa ng sentence, tapos nasa baba, tapos may sentence, may nasa tanong na. Sentence, tanong, gayon na. Di ka pagkatapos ng sentence. Tapos alam ko ang una na yun. So, what is the character in the story?
So, who? Hindi, what? Who? Kung sino? Hindi ka tinuro ka na mami. Who, what, when, where,
And
how?
Alam mo ang what? Ano?
Kala ko alam mo na lahat. Tatanong mo pa.
Wait muna. Ayun. Jenna, listen na. Hindi, sabihin mo muna sa mami kung anong parts ito na element, ha? Anong story. I learned that we should be good sports when we play. Alam mo, anak, kung bakit siya naging message? Doon sa word na, yes. The story happened one afternoon in the village park.
Alam mo kung
Why?
bakit